Good morning, everyone. Today we are here for the next GK lesson, India's superlatives. What do you mean by superlative? Superlative means the highest or the largest degree of anything, right? Now let's see some of the highest, longest, or the largest things that are found in India.
Bhakra Dam is the highest dam in India. It is built on the Satluj River. It lies in Bilaspur district in Himachal Pradesh. It is on the border of Punjab and Himachal and is near Nangal city. It is the second highest dam in Asia. The height of the dam is 207.26 meters and crosses 168.35 kilometers. The dam is 9.1 meters wide. It is the only dam that could produce 1500 megawatts of power in 2013. It is the one of the earliest made dams in independent India. It was completed in the year 1963 and was dedicated to the then Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Bhakra Dam is the highest straight gravity dam in India. With the dam is the large lake Gobind Sagar Reservoir. This is used to store lots and lots of water, which is used for the irrigation and production of electricity. Now, the Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India, right? Yes. The next one is the largest city. The largest city in India is Kolkata, but now the largest city in India is Bangalore because it has been expanding and expanding and it has become the largest city. But let's talk about the largest city, the Kolkata, which was the largest city till a few years back. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It was founded by the East India Company and made the capital of India at that time by the Britishers. It has great artistic brilliance. It has very good architecture. It is also called the City of Joy. Some of its important features are the Victoria Memorial, the Howrah Bridge, the Tagore's House, the Botanical Gardens. Yes, Rabindranath Tagore was from West Bengal and his memorial is built in Kolkata, the Tagore's House. Kolkata also has the Eden Gardens, which is one of the oldest stadium in India. Kolkata is home to many religions and races. Next comes the largest mosque in India. It is Jama Masjid in Delhi. It lies in the old city at Chandni Chowk in Delhi. It was constructed by Shah Jahan. You know, Shah Jahan also made Taj Mahal, right? On Friday, there are communal prayers held at Jama Masjid. The courtyard of the masjid can accommodate about 25,000 people at one time. Jama Masjid lies near Red Fort. It is also called Masjid-e-Jahan Numa, which means world reflecting mosque. Jama Masjid is mainly built with red sandstone, but at some places this white marble is also used. It is oriented towards Makkah in Saudi Arabia. Muslims pray while facing towards Makkah, right? Yes. Next comes the largest cantilever bridge in India. It is the Howrah Bridge at Kolkata, right? It is built using two cantilevers. That means two structures or projects which are suspended and they meet towards the center. Okay. Havra Bridge is a balanced cantilever bridge. It is built over Hooghly River in West Bengal, Kolkata. The construction was completed in 1943. It is located between the twin cities of Howrah and Kolkata. That means it joins both the cities. It was renamed in 1965 as Rabindra Setu. It carries a daily traffic of about 10 lakh vehicles every day and about 150,000 pedestrians every day, right? Next comes the longest road in India. It is the GT road or the Grand Trunk Road. It was a major trade route in India when it was built. It was built by Sher Shah Suri. It is one of the longest oldest roads in Asia. It connected Central Asia to India. It was from Kabul in Afghanistan to Bangladesh. You know the red line that you see? That was the main old GT road built at that time. Yes, now major parts of this have been joined to the national highways. It coincides with National Highway 19 and National Highway 44. Okay, now it has two parts, National Highway 1, which is from Amritsar to Delhi, and National Highway 2, that is from Kolkata to Delhi. Okay, next comes the tallest statue in India. Well, the tallest statue in India is the Gomateshwar statue in Karnataka. It is the highest monolithic statues in India. That means monolithic means it is carved from a single block of granite. It is visible from 30 kilometers away. It is also called Bahubali. Yes, you can correlate with the movie, right? It is a Jan statue. That means it is built and revered by the Jain people. It is the tallest freestanding monolithic statue. Its height is 58.8 feet or 17.9 meters. One more thing, beta. This is the tallest monolithic statue. But the tallest statue in India is now the Statue of Unity, built in Gujarat and completed in 2018. It is a statue of Vallabhbhai Patel, right? Next, we have the largest state. Well, the largest state in India is Rajasthan in North India. It covers 10.4% of India's total geographical area. It is the seventh largest by population also. The capital of the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, right? Rajasthan also has many forts, and it also has the Thar Desert. Okay, the smallest, well, that was the largest state. Now the smallest state of India is Goa. It is in Western India and on the shores of Arabian Sea. It was a Portuguese colony before 1961. In the 17th century, it has many 17th century churches and spice plantations. Goa is famous tourist spot. It is famous for its beaches. The language spoken in Goa is the Konkani language. The people of Goa mainly have fishing and tourism. Next is the highest mountain peak in India. Well, the highest mountain peak is the Kanchenjunga. It is the third highest mountain peak in the world. It lies in the Greater Himalayas. It is in the border state of Sikkim and lies near Nepal. It is covered with snow all the year round. and it is really very difficult to scale. That means it is very difficult to climb by the mountaineers. Next comes the longest river. Well, the longest river in India is Ganga. It is a transboundary river of Asia and flows through India and Bangladesh. It starts from the Gangotri in the western Himalayas in Uttarakhand. It flows through the Gangetic Plain of North India into the Bangladesh and empties into the Bay of Bengal. It has many important cities on its sides. Next comes the largest desert, the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. It is also called the Great Indian Desert. It is a large arid region. It is a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. But it is the most densely populated desert in the world. One more thing very important about this desert is it is the biggest wool producing area in India. It has many different breeds of sheep. Although it is a dry desert, it produces wool. The largest delta, it is the Sundarbans in West Bengal. It is a mangrove area. That means it is famous for the mangrove trees. It is a delta of river Ganga, Meghna and Brahmaputra. It is on Bay of Bengal. It is also the largest forest area in near Bay of Bengal. It is one of the natural wonders of the world. It has many saltwater swamps. It is also famous for the Royal Bengal tiger. Next and the last is the biggest fort. It is the Chittorgarh Fort in Rajasthan. It is one of the 36 forts in Chittorgarh. It was built by Raja Prithvi Deva. It is 360 feet, 3060 feet high. It is one of the strongest natural forts built on a hilltop. You must remember the movie Padmavati, right? Well, Queen Padmavati or Padmini was one of the famous queens of Chittorgarh Fort. Yes, one more thing, beta. The Global Vipassana Pagoda is the largest stone dome in the world. It was built without any supporting pillars. Okay, and it is in Mumbai, right? Thank you.
Now let's revise this lesson again. India's superlatives. The highest dam is the Bhakra Dam. It was the highest dam, but now the Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India. Okay. The largest city is Kolkata. It has been taken over by Bengaluru now. Okay. The largest mosque is the Jama Masjid. The largest cantilever bridge is the Howrah Bridge. The longest road is the GT Road or the Grand Trunk Road. The tallest statue is the Gomateshwar statue. It is the tallest monolithic statue. The largest state is Rajasthan. The smallest state is Goa. The highest mountain peak is Kanchenjunga. The longest river is Ganga. The largest desert is the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. The largest delta is the Sundarbans in West Bengal. The biggest fort is the Chittorgarh Fort, Rajasthan. Thank you. Bye-bye.